Good day, class. Our topic for today is about translating real-life situations into algebraic expressions or equations. Do you know the difference between an algebraic expression and algebraic equation? Well, today I will show you some examples of real-life situation in which we can use algebraic expression or equation. So let's start with algebraic expressions. So we have here two expression, 3x plus 5 and 2y minus 7. So these two examples are algebraic expressions. So how we describe now an algebraic expression? So by definition, an algebraic expression is a mathematical expression containing variables or letters and real numbers or constant connected by means of basic mathematical operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. In short, yung algebraic expression ay statement na mayroong mga variable, may constant, at saka mayroon mathematical operation. How about algebraic equations? So we have here an example, 3x plus 5 is equals to 20 and 2y minus 7 equals to 5. So these two statement or expression is an algebraic equation. You will notice that an algebraic expression is also contains an algebraic expression with an equality sign. So by definition, an algebraic equation is a statement of equality between two mathematical expressions containing variables and real numbers. Now let's apply now these two algebraic, how to construct algebraic expressions from words and phrases. So we can use mathematical operation which we can connect words and phrases to express algebraic expression. So for addition, the symbol is 5. It is positive. So these are the words and phrases associated with addition. So plus, the sum of, more than, added to, increased by, and the total of. So if we can see these words and phrases, so we can use this to connect an algebraic expression, one term to the other term. Let's have an example how we formulate an algebraic expression from words and phrases. Let's say we have an algebraic expression n plus 8. So we can rewrite n plus 8, these are the words and phrases. The sum of n plus 8, 8 more than n increased by 8, and 8 added to n. So in short, some of the words that we can see from this example associated with addition is plus, then we have sum, more than, increase, and added. So we can connect now, we can use now positive or plus sign in our algebraic equation from these words. Next, another mathematical operation that we can use in constructing algebraic expression is subtraction, symbol negative. So what are the words and phrases associated with this subtraction? We have minus, less than, decrease by, difference of, diminish by, reduce by, subtracted from. So we can connect some terms in an algebraic expression using the minus sign if we encounter these words that we have seen here. Sample that subtraction or minus sign is used in constructing algebraic expression from a given phrases. We have n minus 8. The difference of n and 8. So we have in the right side, we have n minus 8. On the left side, we have the raw words and phrases. N decreased by 8. 8 less than n. And n diminished by 8. So words that na ating pwedeng tandaan sa operation na subtraction ay ito, yung minus, yung difference, decrease, less, and diminish. So we can connect two terms by minus sign if we encounter, pag nakita natin yung mga words na yan. Another mathematical operation that we can use in formulating algebraic expression, multiplication. The symbol for multiplication, we have your x, asterisk, or parenthesis symbol. So what are those words and phrases associated with multiplication? We have multiplied by, times, the product of, or twice, etc. So if we encounter these words in any phrases in our daily life, we can connect two terms in our algebraic expression using multiplication symbol. As an example, we have here the algebraic expression 3n. So in the left side, we have here the words and phrases for 3n. 3 times n multiplied by 3, thrice of n, the product of 3 and n. So these are the words and phrases associated with multiplication and in our formulating algebraic expression. The last one is division. With a symbol, we have slash and something like a bar, and the division symbol. So words and phrases associated with division, we have here divided by, the quotient of, the ratio of. So we can use the division symbol in constructing algebraic expression if we have this in a words or phrases that we encounter in our daily life. For example, in the right side you have algebraic expression x over 8. So what are those words and phrases associated with this division symbol? X divided by 8, the quotient of x and 8, and the ratio of x and 8. Now let's use now our concept in a given situation, real life situation. An airplane is flying at an altitude of X feet. So mayroong eroplano, nagka-climb or umaakyat, lumilipad mula sa ground to a certain altitude or height. Express algebraically its new altitude after climbing for 2,000 feet. Letter B, if x is 20,000 feet, what is its new altitude? So, we can use now some of our basic concept in analyzing routine and non-routine problem. So, the first step is understand. So, the given facts, you have an airplane flying at an X altitude. So, that is the airplane. So, it is flying at X feet altitude or height from the ground. So, that is one fact. Then, to further analyze the problem, so we are required to express algebraically its new altitude after climbing for 2,000 feet. So there from a given x feet altitude, it climbed to another 2,000 feet. So medyo tumaas na yung eroplano by 2,000 feet from x feet altitude. So that is now the required. So let's now idea generation. Step 3. Algebraic expression for the aircraft new altitude. So from the ground, you have the aircraft at x feet altitude. Then it climbed again by another 2,000 feet. So how we can now construct the algebraic expression for this given situation. So x feet altitude or height, we can express that as x feet as x. Then climb is a word which means increase in height. So that is plus. If you can recall, that increase is an addition. So the symbol is plus. Then you have to 2,000 feet is 2,000. So therefore now, the algebraic expression for the new altitude is x plus 2,000. So you have now the final answer. This is now the algebraic expression, x plus 2,000. For letter B, which is a sequel of letter A, if x is 20,000 feet, what is the new altitude? So again, the same problem, but x now is given. So we can now generate an idea. So x plus 2,000 feet equals the airplane new altitude. So this is now an equation. Because we have an equality sign. So the new altitude now, if x is 2,000, we are now going to solve. X is 20,000 feet, increase in height, and the aircraft climbed to another 2,000 feet. So therefore, the equation becomes 20,000 feet plus 2,000 feet equals 22,000 feet. So that is the final answer. So thank you for listening and good day.